I never wanted, and I never cared before.
Up and out, I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. Right now.